एक बहाना मिल जाएगा पाकिस्तान टीम को अगर वो हारे कि मैच इतना बोरिंग चल रहा है, बीच बीच में थोड़ी बहुत एक्शन हो जाती है. T20 is essentially entertainment cricket and we did not get entertainment from this match, that much I can tell. Well, look at this pitch, you can't do that here, which means you need a Kohli and you need him big time. Hi, my name is Ruchika and you're with me on Cricket Flavors World Cup Spice. That's right, it's World Cup time and it's going to be spicy, the flavor of the season. Both of these matches are to be played on this ground. We have already played the practice match on this ground and we would love to see how the pitch behaves now, how the outfield behaves. We do know that the one that we played on against Bangladesh was a bit on the slow side. The ground was a bit sandy, the outfield was a bit slow. So it would be interesting to watch how this pitch behaves because I believe it's not the same one. 4 overs and only 14 runs on board and they've lost 1 wicket as well. I believe that this pitch is a bit slow, especially in the beginning. It's not a very batting friendly wicket as it was proposed to be. Sri Lanka chose to bat first on this wicket. I don't know what they were thinking, but maybe they were under the impression that unknown wicket, they would like to take their chances batting first and putting up a decent total on board and try to defend it. मस्त बंदा है यार, ये बैट्समैन है कि बैट्समैन है साउथ अफ्रीकन टीम का. ऑलरेडी 1 विकेट ले चुका है. दैट वाज अ विकेट मेडन और अभी the batsman is getting beaten on almost every ball and this guy is very good. Maharaj who strikes in his second over, I mean almost 10 over होने वाले हैं and it's just 32 runs. Low scoring game and this time it's bowled him. Next ball itself, new batter comes in. Sadira is out. Keshav Maharaj is on a hat-trick. Bhai Saab, they are falling like 9 pins again. 40 for 5. Noche gets another one. मारने की कोशिश करते हैं तो they get caught at the boundary. I would have to watch the South African innings to say whether it's Sri Lanka that's doing what they normally do with heavier teams, not like Pakistan, or if it is the pitch that's contributing to the downfall. And मजे की बात तो ये है कि पाकिस्तान का इस पिच पे कोई मैच नहीं है बिफोर द 9th of June बिफोर दे फेस इंडिया. लेकिन इंडिया के सारे मैचेस इसी पिच पे हैं. प्रैक्टिस मैच हो चुका है एंड देन देयर इज वन मोर मैच अगेंस्ट आयरलैंड व्हिच विल हैपन. द फर्स्ट मैच दैट इंडिया हैज इज आल्सो ऑन दिस ग्राउंड. वैसे एक बात है कि आई एम श्योर जिस तरह से हम लोग खेलते आ रहे हैं और जिस तरह से पाकिस्तान टीम खेलती आ रही है, आई वुड put my money on India to win the match and to perform really well. लेकिन एक बहाना मिल जाएगा पाकिस्तान टीम को अगर वो हारे कि all these reasons were the factors that led them towards losing the game against India. चलो भाई, 6 wicket also down, 45 for 5, no sorry 6. श्रीलंका लगता है कि वैसा ही कुछ करने वाला है जैसा उन्होंने एशिया कप और वर्ल्ड कप में इंडिया के अगेंस्ट किया था. एंजेलो मैथ्यूज, एक्सपीरियंस काउंट्स. हाँ, 6 मार के 53. He's put the 50 up for Sri Lanka in the 13th over. I am not very happy with this pitch. क्योंकि लो स्कोरिंग मैचेस में मजा तो आएगा नहीं. You would expect the match between India and Pakistan to be a nice, high scoring, phenomenal, dramatic one. लेकिन ये वाली पिच पे तो लग रहा है बॉलर्स विल बी डोमिनेटिंग. आई डोंट थिंक इट वाज अ वेरी वेल टाइम शॉट, पर छक्का चला गया. इन दोनों को पहले भेज देना था तो क्या पता ये बैटिंग पहले ही कर लेते. अभी रबाडा ने बैंड बजा दिया, बोल्ड हिम. एंड अभी बेचारे कमेंटेटर्स वर टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ 100 रन वुड स्टिल बी अ रिस्पेक्टेबल टोटल, समवेयर डिफेंसिबल, समवेयर गिविंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ फाइट. आई लाइक एक और गया. ओह यस, 8 डाउन. थोड़ी देर के लिए बाहर क्या गई, 8 डाउन हो गए. एंजेलो मैथ्यूज भी जा चुका है. लो भाई, ऑल आउट फॉर द लोएस्ट टोटल इन ऑल T20 क्रिकेट ऑफ श्रीलंका, 76. लास्ट ओवर में जाके लास्ट ओवर के फर्स्ट बॉल पे ऑल आउट हो गए, रन आउट हो गए. वो भी करना जरूरी था क्या? डिड यू रियली हैव टू रन दोस 2 रन्स? धीरे धीरे करके थोड़े से रन बढ़ा देते, बट नहीं. खैर, आई एम वेरी श्योर कि ये बहुत कम लो टोटल है और इट्स नॉट द पिचेस फॉल्ट. ये श्रीलंका वाले क्रम्बल कर गए हैं और साउथ अफ्रीका इसको इजीली चेस कर देगा. लेट्स सी क्या होता है. Uneven bounce again. I don't believe there's 2 wickets down now for South Africa. और इतनी देर स्लो खेलने के बाद फाइनली पीकॉक अनलीशेस विद अ 6 टू एंजेलो मैथ्यूज. क्या मस्त मारा. बट 8 overs 39 for 2. स्लो गोइंग. मैच इतना बोरिंग चल रहा है. बीच बीच में थोड़ी बहुत एक्शन हो जाती है. लग रहा है टेस्ट मैच चल रहा है, बल्कि मैं तो बोलूंगी टेस्ट मैच से ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होता है यार. इट्स हॉरिबल. द पिच इज हॉरिबल. एंड दैट स्टॉप्स गॉन. I don't know what's happening. 58 for 4 South Africa in 12.5 overs. Not only is it slow, it's also difficult. Glimpse of Klaasen from SRH. A beautiful, huge straight 6. But when things are almost done, oh, and that's another shot. That's down the ground for 4. Looks like Klaasen's decided he's had enough of Tuk Tuk and now he's hitting it out of the park, ensuring the victory. Only 7 required now. It took almost 2.5 overs from the last time those boundaries were hit to finally be able to win this match. But South Africa did manage it in the end. Itna slow-paced game, itna boring game. T20 cricket का बिल्कुल मजा नहीं आया. It was not at all a T20 game. And now there are 2 takeaways from this game. One, all those people who talked about IPL being a very flat wicket game, a very batting oriented game, not at all what a game of cricket should be. Well, lesson learnt. At least it's entertainment, and T20 is essentially entertainment cricket. And we did not get entertainment from this match, that much I can tell you. The only reason I watched this match was because I wanted to understand the wicket and the ground, which I think I have done now. And so that brings me to the second learning. All of those people who were criticizing Kohli, that we don't really need an anchor kind of a role to be played, and we don't need somebody with a slower strike rate. We just need people to go out and, give it all they got, gung-ho, and hit out there. Well, look at this pitch. You can't do that here, which means you need a Kohli and you need him big time. So he just changed his game for no reason. But well, I'm sure that he'll be able to adapt to this beautifully, as he always does, to any circumstances, any pitch, any condition. Also, going forward, when the tournament shifts to West Indies, definitely better things will be expected. We did see that match between Australia and West Indies where the runs went up to 257. So that's the kind of T20 that we'll be looking forward to. Those kind of matches. Initial stage, the group stage, we have 3 of our matches on this ground, and then we have 1 more in Florida, which is like another unknown territory. We don't know what's going to happen there as well. Not happy at all. Not at all a T20 game. Did not enjoy it. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day, everybody. Do subscribe to my channel for more such content. I shall keep bringing you all updates on all things cricket, especially during this World Cup. Bye-bye.